Automation technology. Over the years, the development of automation technology has become increasingly dependent on the use of computers and computer-related technologies. Because of this, automated systems have become more and more complex and sophisticated. The more advanced systems represent a level of capability and performance that far surpasses the abilities of humans in many ways to accomplish the same activities. Automation technology has advanced to the point where a number of other technologies have been developed from it and have achieved a recognition and status of their own. One of these technologies is robotics, which is a specialized branch of automation in which the automated machine possesses certain human-like characteristics. The most common human-like characteristic of an industrial robot is the powered mechanical arm, which is a major part of automation. The arm can be programmed to follow a sequence of motions to perform useful tasks, such as making a sequence of spot welds on the sheet metal parts of an automobile during assembly, or the loading and unloading of parts. These examples show the range of human actions that can be replaced by automation.